Hello everyone, welcome to 10 minutes review. So today I am going to review my wired earphones, my Bluetooth headphones and my Bluetooth earphones. So let's start the review one by one. Alright, so the first earphone that I'm going to review is this JBL wired earphone. Now this is a typical earphone that I think most of you must be having. It comes in various colors. It comes in red and it comes in black. Those are the two prominent colors. Now I ordered this earphone in January 2021 and at that time it costed me around rupees 665. But sometimes you might get Amazon sale and you can get this for rupees 599. Now it comes with a 1-year warranty which you can avail through JBL. Now let's talk about the good part of the earphone. The good part is that because it's JBL, so the sound quality is really good. And if you are in a meeting, because we are in work from home, so for attending meeting, for listening to music, this earphone is really handy. Now talking about the bad part. Now the bad part is, as you can see, this earphone is not even 6 months and this has already started to come out. So when we talk about durability, it is not as durable as we expect it to be. Although JBL claims that the warranty is for 1 year, but in only 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, this starts getting worn out. As you can see, the wire is coming out. Plus, one more thing that I did not like about this was that they have given this end. So I will show you another earphone just to talk about the end. So when the earphone comes with this end, so this is more handy. इसकी वजह से earphone खराब नहीं होता है. इस end की वजह से अगर आपने ये लगा के रख रखा है तो ये निकलना शुरू हो जाता है. So that's a bad thing. Now we will move on to our next earphone. I have put the link of this earphone in the description. Now coming to the second earphone. This earphone is from Boat. Now the good thing about Boat earphone is that the wire quality is really good, plus it also comes with a pouch, and as you can see, these are also of very good quality. I had ordered this in July 2020 and it's still working really well. So as you can see, this is the pouch with which it comes. It costed me around rupees 649. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. Now unlike JBL, the wire is really good, but the only problem is that the left side of the earphone has stopped working. So that's the bad part, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Now coming to the third earphone that I have. So this is again by Boat and it comes with Bluetooth technology. It is also a very handy and very good earphone. The wire quality is also really good. The Bluetooth range is also really good. Plus with one full charge it can go to 6 to 7 hours. So that, plus you can also connect it with your phone, with your laptop, so simultaneously it can connect with both of them. I ordered this in September 2020 and 1 साल तक अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई है, एंड इसका कॉस्ट था 1499. So now let us move on to the next. Now coming to another Bluetooth headphone that I have. This is JBL. The serial number is JBL T460BT, which I have put the link in the description. Now this is also a very good headphone from JBL. You can charge it and use it. Now the bad part is that if you see these parts, so if you have put on the headphone for let's say 1 to 2 hours, यहाँ पसीना आने लग जाता है, which is a bad part about the earphone. The sound quality of this earphone is really good, and I ordered it from Amazon in July 2021 and it costed me around 2499 and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Now one drawback of this Bluetooth headphone is that you cannot use it for making calls. So you cannot connect it with your phone and call using this. This is a part which I really did not like about this. Otherwise it's a very good earphone and you can order it. Also, one more bad part about the earphone is it does not have noise cancellation, so which JBL claims that it comes with, but it is not there. Alright, now coming to the last earphone that I have, this is from Sony and the version is MDR EX150AP. I've put the link in the description. This I had ordered in January 2021 and it costed me around 899 rupees. The earphone comes with a very good sound quality. इसमें आवाज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है, so you can use it for meetings, you can use it for watching movies. Plus the wire is also of a good quality and it's a really durable earphone. So if you have to compare between this earphone and JBL earphone, then I would this earphone and JBL earphone, and let's say even I'll take another one, the Boat earphone. सो इफ़ अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करते हैं, सपोज आप बस में जा रहे हैं या बाइक राइड्स पे जा रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए ये ज़्यादा सही है क्योंकि ये काफ़ी स्टर्डी है और इसका वायर वगैरह डैमेज नहीं होता है. बट इफ़ यू आर एट होम, आपको मीटिंग वगैरह अटेंड करनी है, साउंड क्वालिटी अच्छी चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आप JBL भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, सोनी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. JBL की ड्यूरेबिलिटी का इशू आता है, ये 599 अराउंड 600 इसका प्राइस है और सोनी का प्राइस है अराउंड 899, लेकिन सोनी की भी जो ड्यूरेबिलिटी है एज कम्पेयर टू JBL ज़्यादा अच्छी है. सो गाइज, दिस वॉज अबाउट द रिव्यू ऑफ ऑल द ईयरफोन्स एंड हेडफोन्स आई हैव. आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन ऑल ऑफ देम and I have put the link in description of all the earphones, so you can click on the link and buy it from Amazon. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching 10 Minutes Review.